today I'm going to be cleaning out the van, prepping the van for our winter getaway. I'm also going to be unboxing some things that we ordered. So yeah, let's get to prepping. Extra cushion for the bed here. So I need this. Lesson learned for not bringing it my last trip. My back was hurting. So we're not gonna forget it this time. Let's see if this fits. Oh boy. It's cold. As you can see, I already have one in here. When that gets full, I'm gonna switch it out to the new one. So when I leave the campground or wherever I'm staying, I could just go and dump them both at the same time. Let's pray this fits. Oh. Yay! It fits. See? It fits. I made it through. I accomplished. So, yeah. Let's move on to the next thing. I bungee my water. This is my setup. I do my water. There you have it. That's my water set. Let's see. Oh, so much better. Oh boy, it's cold. So I'm finna clean out my Max air fan. I like to do it as much as possible. You know, when I see it's dirty, I like to clean it out. So I did the one up front. Sorry, I ate a coconut cookie. So I'm gonna do this one, and there's lots of bugs. What I'm using is Lysol and water. Okay, I'm back because I was about to call 911. I don't know where that bug went. What is... Why is it fighting me?